2011 to 2012 Toyota Highlander USB port aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2012 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB aux port right here. This one has a bunch of corrosion and soda spill in it. This isn't my car, this is a customer car, but you want to pull your shifter back if you want safely. Put the e-brake on, just pull that back, give yourself some room. And then you want to get a plastic pry bar interior tool. I'll link them below, or what I had to end up using is a small flathead, maybe a butter knife if you're at home. You want to come in right here on the side of this, and you're going to push it inwards and then just kind of pry this and pop it out. It'll release the little locking tabs. They're these little plastic, not even locking tabs, they're just like little tabs that need to be compressed. My tool was worn out too much, so I had to use a small flathead. The small flathead might scratch your dash, so be careful, but once it comes out like this, we're going to just pull the wire harness out as much as possible. There's a little thumb tab button. You push the thumb tab button down and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires because you'll break your wires. And then here it is. Here's your USB port. This is the old one. This one has a bunch of soda spill in there. It's not working anymore. So the part number's on the side. It's super tiny, but it's listed above. Now there's also another part number that this one goes by. There's like a previous version. Either one will work wherever you find it, but they do sell the Toyota genuine OEM one on Amazon. This is what I'm going to link below, and I'll probably link one on the video as well, maybe an aftermarket one. And basically all you got to do is plug this right back in after you unwrap it. And then once you get it plugged in, make sure it's in tight, and then you just push this back into place, and that's it. You don't need to do any coating or nothing. And then if you did scratch or make a mark, you could use your plastic interior tool to smooth it out, and it'll look back to normal. But all right, guys, that's it. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.